Hello,
Hel-
teacher.
Hello, Min. Good evening. Can you hear teacher clearly, Min Ang?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. So, Min, we're going to have our new lesson for today because last time we finished the two lessons. Okay. We did unit 17 and unit 18 last time. So, Min, this will be your lesson for this evening. Right. So, Min, can you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What is unit 19 all about?
What's the matter?
What's? There's S again.
What's the matter?
Very good. What's the matter? I love it. Okay. Now, Himin, we have here vocabulary words. What are the given words? We have. What are the words?
Hurt.
Hurt. Correct. Next.
Injury.
Again, earache.
Earache.
And we have,
Temperature.
again, temperature. Again.
Temperature.
Okay, look at, listen.
Temperature.
Again, temperature.
Temperature.
Okay, so we have here hurt, earache, and temperature. Min, do you understand these words?
Yes.
Good.
Cough.
Okay, again, cough. Next,
Stomach ache.
stomach ache, and
Ache and toothache.
again, toothache.
Toothache.
Okay, we have cough, stomach ache, toothache. Correct. Next, Min. Another words.
Headache.
Headache. Next.
Cold. Dentist.
Okay, we have cold and dentist. You understand this?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Next. All right, Min. I have here sentence 1, 2, and 3. Write A, E, O, and U to complete these words. Go.
Yes. I've
Okay, you write all the letters, the mixing letters.
I've got a stomach. It's I've got a stomach aches because I ate
Again,
hundred
Min, it's not stomach ache. Stomach ache. Again, stomach.
stomach
Okay, go.
stomach ache because I ate hundreds of chips at school today. We walked a lot yesterday, and now both my feet hurts. When my cousins and I were on our skateboards last week, I hurt my hand, foot, leg, arm. I'm finished.
Okay, Min, please read, Min. I've got
Got a stomach ache
stomach ache.
because I stomach ache because I ate hundreds of chips at school today. We walked a lot yesterday, and now what my feet hurt when my cousin and I were on our skateboards last week. I hurt my hand, foot, leg, arm.
Okay, now look at here, Min. Let's check your answer. First, we have here, I've got a stomach ache because I ate hundreds of chips and at school today. Correct. We walked a lot yesterday and now both my feet hurt. Next, when my cousin and I were on our skateboards last week, I hurt my hand, foot, leg, and arm. Very good, Min. It's a perfect sport for you. All right, so let's move now, Min. Now here, Min, I want you to look at the picture, read and understand sentence 1 to 8, and write the number and the letter that corresponds to the answer. Okay? Example, this woman hurt her arm this morning. So which woman there hurt his arm this morning? It is number 4, letter C. That's why we write 4C because it is found in number 4, letter C. Okay, Min, please answer.
Yes. This boy got outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got arthritis.
Again, earache.
Earache.
Good. 3.
1B. Oh dear, the schoolman hurt her hand. Now she can't play basketball. 4A.
4.
That man, A.
Good. Next.
This boy, that
No,
man
number looks.
looked sick and he's got a temperature.
Again, temperature.
Temperature.
Good.
3C.
Good. Next.
I need to see a dentist. He's got very bad
Bad. How do you say the word? That is? It's toothache.
toothache.
Toothache. Next.
1A. The farmer tries to trick his tractor. Now his belly hurts. 3B. Give
Okay.
that girl a glass of water, please. She got a cough. 2B. That man have four milkshake. Now he got a stomach
Stomach.
ache.
Not H. Again, stomach ache.
Stomach
Again, stomach ache.
stomach ache.
Very good. Okay, so Min, let's check now your answer. Number 2, this boy was outside in the wind yesterday. Now he's got earache. Correct. Number 3. Oh dear, that woman hurt her hand. Now she can play basketball. 4A, correct. 4. That man looks sick and he's got a temperature. 3C, correct. 5. This boy needs to see a dentist. He's got very bad toothache. Very good. 6. That farmer tried to fix his tractor. Now he's got, no, his back hurts. 3B is correct. Next, number 7. Give that girl a glass of water, please. She's got a cough. Very good. 2B. Number 8. That man had 4 milkshakes. Now he's got a stomach ache. Very good, man. It's perfectly answered. Great work. Good job. Now here, man, let's do listening part 4. Intonation and keywords like no, yes, I see, all right, and okay can often help you to choose the right answers. Man, please read and tick the box.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2. What was the matter with Kim today?
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No,
Did she have a cold then?
no, she has a cough.
3. What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
Okay, man, please read questions 1 to 4 and tell me your answers. Go, number 1. What?
What's the matter with Ben? B.
What's letter B?
He
He got
got oh
He's got, what happened to Ben? What's the matter with him?
he got
What is it?
he hurt he he
His
got hurt
ear
got
ear ache. Again. Okay, good. He's got an earache. Number 2. What happened number 2? What was?
What was the matter with him today? Him has
Next.
him was a cough. The, that uh,
Happened.
that is what is a matter with that have a temperature.
Temperature.
What
Next, number 4.
I did mom go to hospital because she
She got
she got she got hurt her hand.
okay. Number 1. Let's check now. What's the matter with Ben? Ben, letter B. He's got an earache. Number 2. What was the matter with Kim today? Kim got cough or has a cough, correct? Number 3. What is the matter with Dad? Dad got a temperature. Very good. Number 4, why did mom go to the hospital? Very good, Min An. It's letter A. She hurt her hand. Right? Very good, Min. Now here, Min An, I want you to read the conversation and choose the best answer. Encircle the letter of the best answer.
Oh, why weren't you at school today? I went to hospital. What was the matter? I hurt my foot. The nurse was really nice. Was she? So you alright? Just don't worry. What are you doing now? I'm watching TV. Can I come and see you? Yes, that's a great idea. I'm finished.
Okay, let's check now your answer, Min. Number 1. Why weren't you at school today? The correct answer is letter C. I went to hospital. Correct. Number 2. What was the matter? It's letter B. I hurt my foot. Correct, Min. Number 3. The nurse was really nice. Was she? Very good. Number 4. So, are you all right? It's yes. Don't worry. Number 5. Okay. Number 5. What are you doing now? It's I'm watching TV. Very good, Min. It's correct. Number 6. We have here number 6. Can I come and see you? The correct answer is yes. That's a great idea. Great work, Min. Perfect again. That's good to hear. You got a perfect score again. Okay. Now here, Min, find 5 differences between Tom and Paul in the picture. Go. Tell me the differences that you can see in both pictures.
Tom is in the sofa and Howell is in the bed.
Okay, correct. Second,
Um,
Go.
So, uh, Tom is the
What happened? Second.
table. Tom, the table. His Tom table is circle and how to table is the
Is,
right.
what's the shape?
Mm, so hard.
Okay, look at there. Which part of the body of Tom and Paul got hurt? Are they the same? They aren't the same, Min An.
Tom is hurt in
Tom hurt his.
Tom his leg.
Okay.
Paul his arm.
Next. What else? That's the second difference.
Hmm.
Go.
Boy, don't know.
Look at there. Paul is, what is Paul doing?
Paul is asleep and Tom is the seat.
Yeah, sitting and awake. Very good. What else?
Paul has two um Paul has two pillow and Tom has one pillow.
Okay. How many now? Okay. All right. So there you go. So I think that's all for the differences. So as you can see, they have different parts of their body that got hurt. Tom hurt
Paul,
his feet and Paul hurt his.
Paul has blanket but Tom is not.
Okay. Very good. All right. So there you go, Min. You reached already the 5 differences that I asked you from this activity. All right. For what? Min, could you please enter again to the Zoom class? It's about to close. Okay, enter again.